Matt, we're going to wrap it up here real quick with one to watch. Earnings season in full tilt here now, and so there's going to be plenty to choose from. What is your one to watch for this coming week?
I am keeping my eye on Synchrony Financial. They are one of the big issues of store credit cards, and they are an online bank. They report earnings on Friday, and there's a couple of things I'm watching for. Number one, they announced recently that they lost their partnership with Walmart, which is a big deal. This is like when American Express lost its Costco partnership. This is the big thing in the business. So I'm interested to see how they plan to rebound from that. They said at the time of the announcement that they'll be able to replace all that lost revenue within a couple of years. So I want to know how. They're a credit card business, so they are going to be a big beneficiary of rising interest rates. And because the big banks kind of surprised us with their default rates dropped, their credit quality is improving. So I want to see if Synchrony if they're doing this, if they're trending the same way, it could be a big profitability boost for the company.
And what's that ticker for Synchrony?
SYF.
Okay, good deal. I'm going to be watching Ameris Bancorp. Ticker is ABCB. They are a little community bank based out of Motley, Georgia. Folks who've followed me for any period of time know I've been following this bank for quite some time. They have earnings coming out on Friday. It's always been really a story of growing their assets under management, and growth from the financial crisis really was a neat part of the story early on with a lot of those failed institutions from the Great Recession. They essentially had these FDIC aided acquisitions, which pretty much protected them from any downside while helping them grow out the actual customer base and asset base there. And so this is a very well-run bank that has seen a little bit of a pullback here recently with the market volatility. But still, I think a lot of things to like about what they're doing. Is still just a small cap. You know, I mean, we talk about big banks. This is a $2 billion market cap bank here. But earnings out on Friday. I'd be interested to see what they have to tell us. And also, just a note, we have PayPal earnings coming out this week as well on Thursday. So we'll certainly cover that on next week's show.